Hi, I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to draw a male figure with a background on A4 paper using ball pen. Let's enjoy the process and let me know in the comment section what you want me to draw next. Have a good day. Thanks for watching my video. So be creative and follow your passion.